In this example, we are solving a differential equation dy over dx minus 4y equal to x times e to the negative 5x to find its general solution. This is first order linear differential equation, so we can solve this using the method of integrating factor. Now the integrating factor is mu of x equal to e to the integration of negative 4 with respect to x, which is equal to e to the negative 4x. Now, if we multiply on both sides of the above equation by integrating factor, it will be e to the negative 4x dy over dx minus 4 e to the negative 4x times y is equal to x e to the negative 5x is already there on the right hand side. Now we are multiplying this by e to the negative 4x. Applying the reverse product rule on the left hand side, you get d over dx of mu of x, which is e to the negative 4x times y, equal to, on the right hand side, we get x times e to the negative 5x multiplied to the negative 4x. We have same base, so the exponents can be added together, e to the negative 9x. Now, in order to undo the derivative which is on the left hand side, we integrate on both sides and we get e to the negative 4x times y is equal to integration of x times e to the negative 9x with respect to x. In order to integrate the integral on the right hand side, we need to use integration by parts, and I'm going to show that first. In order to integrate this, we consider u equal to x. So let u equal to x, and dv is everything excluding that x, which will be e to the negative 9x dx. We differentiate the first, so du equal to dx, and we integrate the second, so you get v equal to e to the negative 9x divided by negative 9. We'll write the constant of integration later on. Also recall the formula for integration by parts is u dv equal to uv minus integration of v du. So if we use that over here, we get uv, u is x, and v is e to the negative 9x over negative 9. So it will be negative x e to the negative 9x over negative 9. So negative is already written here, so positive 9 you can write that way. And minus integration of v du, your v is e to the negative 9x over negative 9 dx. First one, we have negative x e to the negative 9x over 9. Then negative divided by negative is positive, you can write 1/9. Then integration of e to the negative 9x is e to the negative 9x over negative 9, then plus the constant c, which is equal to negative x e to the negative 9x over 9 plus, this is e to the negative 9x, and 9 and 9, 81. So this is negative 81 in the denominator plus c, which is same as, we can write this as negative x e to the negative 9x over 9, then minus e to the negative 9x over 81 plus c. Now we are going to substitute the right hand side integral with this value, and let's see what we get. Okay, this is what we had before. Left hand side remains the same. On the right hand side, we substitute the value of integral that we have obtained above using integration by parts, which is negative x e to the negative 9x over 9 minus e to the negative 9x over 81 plus c. Now, in order to find the value of y, we divide on both sides of the equation by e to the negative 4x. So we get y as the function of x equal to negative 1 over 9x. E to the negative 9x divided by e to the negative 4x is e to the negative 5x. Then minus 1 over 81 e to the negative 9x divided by e to the negative 4x, which is again e to the negative 5x, then plus c divided by e to the negative 4x, which is same as c e to the positive 4x. So this is our general solution. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.